Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of your earbuds is not reliable. And the first one what we need to do is to check if you have the last software version. So open the application, click on your device here and then go to update. Now checking for update and it said that I have the last software version. If you haven't, install a new one and it can fix your problem. If it doesn't, just put your earbuds to the charging case, close the case and wait about 15 seconds. The battery level of the earbuds and the charging case will update, so after 15 seconds you just open it and check is it fixed. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!